Robert, what's new in the exciting world of simple molecular compounds these days?
Well, Phil, I think there's plenty of space to innovate in this area. Let's start with gallium trichloride. We make that in a form called easy pour, which means granulating a soft, waxy material, making it into granules. Now, why is that an advantage? We see what our customers need, and what they tell us on the factory floor is they want simplification in their process. They want to get away from very expensive control systems that say heat up the solid material, melt it, pump it through pipes and so forth. When you have a granulated material, what you can do is move into a glove box, and increased use of glove boxes is a trend that we observe in specialty chemicals manufacturing. And inside the glove box, you can now have an operator directly, manually interact with the material and control the setup of the batch process, of the batch reaction for whatever they're doing, and they just manually pour in the material. It's an alteration of the physical properties of the material. It's the same chemical compound, but it makes it easier to use. You pour it in just like that, and it does away with an entire control system.
So Indium Corporation's innovative Easy Pour is exactly what it sounds. It is easing the process,
Yes.
Making it less complex to a certain degree, or certainly helping eliminate some of the variables that would lead to inaccuracies or mistakes.
Yes, it's what we love doing at Indium Corporation, getting insight at the factory floor and addressing concerns directly there.
Where can we find out more information about this?
Our website, always a good place to start. My email address is there, my phone number is there. Come to our website and explore.
Robert, thank you very much.
Thank you, Phil.